Hi, I'm Rebecca from Little Adventure Shop, and in this video I'm going to talk you through this. This is Hydro Flask's insulated 20-litre tote bag. Okay, so this, if you know your Hydro Flask for the drinking bottles, then it's worth having a look at some of their insulated containers as well. And this is their 20-litre tote bag. It's got a really nice lightweight design. It's very light and you can fold it up easily. So it's ideal to kind of store, you could store it in your kitchen cupboards, whatever. And then it's great to use to take to the shops. Or to take cool, fresh food out for a picnic. So Hydro Flask say it will keep food fresh for 4 hours. So if you're bringing, say, like frozen ice cream back from the shop, I would probably take a freezer pack with me as well and pop it in there before I went. But in terms of keeping just drinks cool and things like that, this should work fine. So let's open it up for you. It's just got one zip along the top, and then inside it's got this BPA free plastic, which is food approved by the FDA. So if you have any spills, it's quite easy to clean because there's no seams or nooks and crannies to get in there and make it difficult to clean. So like I said, one simple zip across the top, sorry. And then you've got a couple of grab handles and then just a little pocket at the front. So open that up, which is about that deep. So I don't know, you could get your keys or something in there. So really practical, great to take to work or just for a day picnic. Yeah, if you'd like to see the products that have will keep food cooler and colder for longer, then click the link here and you'll see the full range. So thanks for watching. If you'd like to see similar videos, please subscribe to our channel. And if you like our video, it really helps us. Many thanks.